Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're reviewing a must-have kitchen gadget, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. If you're someone who loves eggs but finds it hard to get them cooked just right, then stay tuned. This little machine might just become your new best friend in the kitchen. Overview of product design and features. 1. Compact and stylish design. First off, let's talk about its design. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker comes in a sleek black color that looks great in any kitchen. Made of lightweight plastic, it's only 16 ounces and measures about 7.5 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 6 inches in height. It's compact, so it won't take up much counter space and is easy to store. 2. Egg capacity and versatility. What makes this egg cooker so special is its versatility. You can cook up to 6 eggs at once. And you're not limited to just hard-boiled eggs. This cooker lets you make poached eggs, scrambled eggs, or even omelets. 3. Auto shut-off feature. One of the standout features is its auto shut-off. So, you don't have to worry about overcooking or constantly checking in. Once your eggs are done, the cooker automatically shuts off, making it a safe and convenient option. How to use the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. 1. Preparing the egg cooker. Using the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is as easy as it gets. Just add water based on the type of eggs you're cooking. There's a measuring cup that comes with it, so no guessing required. 2. Adding eggs. Place the eggs on the tray, close the lid, and switch on the cooker. It's designed to make each cooking style foolproof. Want hard-boiled eggs? Just follow the water measurements on the cup, and they come out perfect every time. 3. Auto shut-off in action. And here's where it shines, the auto shut-off feature. You don't need to stand around waiting. Once the cooking is done, it switches off by itself. Pros and cons. 1. Pros. Quick and efficient, this cooker is super fast, saving time especially on busy mornings. Easy to clean, the parts are easy to detach and clean, making cleanup a breeze. Consistent results, whether it's poached or hard-boiled, the cooker delivers consistent results. 2. Cons. Limited capacity for large families. If you have a big family, 6 eggs might not be enough for one go. Material durability. It's made of plastic, so while it's lightweight, you may need to handle it with care over time. Who is this product perfect for? The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is ideal for singles, couples, or small families who enjoy eggs regularly but want to save time in the kitchen. It's also perfect for those who meal prep or need a quick, easy way to add protein to their diet. Final thoughts and recommendation. In summary, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a fantastic little gadget for egg lovers looking for simplicity and consistency. It's compact, affordable, and makes cooking eggs practically hands-free. If you're in the market for a quick and reliable egg cooker, we'd highly recommend giving this one a try. Show Dash Rapid Egg Cooker in action with some perfectly cooked eggs, and finish with a friendly prompt to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on handy kitchen gadgets. Let us know in the comments, how do you like your eggs? See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.